Hindi siya lang na nagustuhan ninyo mag-alaga, tapos after 2 weeks, ayaw nyo na. Hi guys! This is Ai, your millennial negosyante. And today, I'm gonna share you some tips bago kayo kumuha ng dog or cat in your home. So, tip number 1, research the breed or type of pet. I-research nyo kung ano yung behavior niya, ano ba yung level ng diet niya, paano ba siya gino-groom. Tip number 2, prepare your home. So, dapat yung bahay nyo, kung first time kayo magkakaroon ng pet, i-ready nyo kung saan siya matutulog, and dapat buong area naka-disinfect. Napaka-importante yan kasi syempre baka magkaroon ng sakit agad yung dogs nyo kasi hindi pala ready yung bahay ninyo. As early as a puppy or 5 months, tinuturuan nyo na siya mag-potty train. Bago kayo kumuha, dapat yung panggagalingan ng pet na yun, marunong mag-potty train, no? Importante yan sa totoo lang kasi it will mess up your whole household kapag hindi marunong yung aso. Tip number 3, budget wisely. Yan, napaka-importante. Karamihan sa atin magmula ng pandemic, ang hilig na mag-alaga. Pets are commitment. Okay? Hindi siya luho lang na nagustuhan ninyo mag-alaga, tapos after 2 weeks, ayaw nyo na. It's a commitment. Consider the cost of food. Consider yung vet check-up budget nyo dyan. Consider grooming. Kung yung pet kailangan gupitan once in a while. And consider an emergency fund as well for your pet. Kasi hindi natin ma-anticipate kung ano yung bacteria or sakit na makukuha nila para ka talagang may anak. Oh my God! Tip number 4, invest time and patience. Siyempre, kasanayan nyo, wala kayo inaalagaan nyo. So, yung patience nyo pa lang na, binili ko to, kinuha ko tong dog na to, kailangan alagaan ko with all my heart. Baby pa lang sila, bigyan nyo na ng training, bigyan nyo ng effort, bigyan nyo ng time. Maging ready din kayo magbigay ng pagmamahal. In my experience, ang kapalit naman nung pagmamahal, yung pag-aalaga nyo sa kanya, yung comfort or peace of mind na ibibigay sa inyo. Tip number 5, choose a trusted vet. Yan. Ever since nagkaroon talaga ako ng one vet na in our area na never ko nilipat sa kung saan-saan. Why? Kasi na-earn niya yung trust ko how they take care of my dogs. Of course. Regular visit keeps your fur baby healthy and happy. So, kung kailan kailangan. Sasabihin naman ng vet sa inyo kung kailan dapat bumalik kayo with your pet, no? Para din to maintain the wellness of your pet na humaba ang buhay nila. Bigyan ko lang kayo idea. Last time I check, meron na daw nilabas na gamot pang pahaba ng buhay ng aso. Kasi yung dogs daw only has 10 to 15 years of lifespan. So, meron na daw lumabas. So, expect nyo na isa ako sa bibili noon. I have 5 dogs. So, that was the 5 tips na pwede ko ibigay sa inyo. Becoming a fur parent is a big responsibility, no? Provide them with love, with care, as if you have your own child. If you have a child, yung sacrifice nyo, yes, ibang-iba talaga yun. Pero we cannot disregard the experience or the feeling of having a pet as well, especially dogs and cats. Iba yung feeling ng ilaalagaan mo, para ka na rin may anak. Yes, wala pa akong experience pag-aanak, pero yung patience ko, pwedeng-pwede na. Char! So, ito yung mga 5 tips before owning a pet, no? Thank you so much for watching. This has been Ai, your millennial negosyante. I hope marami kayo natutunan and follow for more.